Very good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are doing well and safe at home. Children, today I want to introduce a game. Bike game. Let us see how to play. So, here I will send a link to you. Just click on the link. And you have to enter the code here. I will give the code to you. So, let us see what is the code. This is the code. You have to enter the code and click on play. Enter your name here. So children, you have to play this game in mobile only. Okay, click on continue. Then you will get the game like this. Yeah. So just click on play. So here you go. So here you are able to see 4 arrows here. Up arrow. This is when you click the up arrow means this one. When you click the up arrow, so he will go straight. If you want to move left little bit, so this side arrow you have to move. Okay. Yeah. So now go forward. So straight arrow. This up arrow you have to click, and then you will get the question. When you click the box, you will get the questions, and then you have to answer these questions. Okay, 7 centimeters equals to dash mm. You know that 1 centimeter equals to 10 mm. The 7 centimeters equals to 70 mm. So click the answer here. And then click the answer here. So then again you will get another question, and you have to answer the question, and then you have to move. So write the place value of for the underlined digit here. 6 is underlined. 6 is in which place? Here it is in 10th place. 10th. That means 6 tenths it is. Okay. Then again you got one more question. 0.4 into 4. So while multiplying you have to do that. So which is nothing but 1.6 it is. Yeah, 32.45 into 10. So which is nothing but 3. And then you go. So here you crash. So you have to check it. Okay. So if you want to move right side, you have to click this arrow. If you want to move left side, you have to click and up arrow. This is down arrow. So you want to move back. So you have to click this. Okay. So if you want to turn right, so right arrow. This arrow you have to click. So this game you have to play in mobile only, not in laptop. You cannot play in laptop. So also here again, yeah. Come. Yes. Turn to right. Yes, you have to do a little bit fast. Yeah. So again, move straight. So like this you have to play. So children, I hope you will understand. You understand how to play this game, and I hope while playing you will enjoy and you will learn the things also. You will learn the problems based on decimals, tenths and hundreds. Thank you children. Have a nice day.